Hi, I'm Sam Mason at Oddfellows Ice Cream here in Brooklyn, New York, and today, thanks to Star Chefs, I get to play around with the Breville Poly Science Control Freak, and we're going to make lemon meringue pie ice cream. So let's go in the kitchen and get this started. So today we're going to make the lemon meringue pie ice cream. We're going to start with lemon juice, granulated sugar, and eggs. We're going to put these in the blender. We're just blending it so they're nice and homogeneous. Once everything's in the blender, we're just gonna give it hell for a second. All right, now that that's blended, we're gonna pour it into the pan. We're gonna cook this to 170 with a probe. We already conveniently have set a lemon curd program in here, so I just have to go to the actual curd setting and set it, and this probe will dictate the temperature that the product ends up at. So at this point, we're gonna pause the cooking. That easy. There'll be no more heat coming from anywhere. We're gonna mount our butter in. We're slowly whisk in cold butter, and then we're gonna finish it with a little bit of gelatin just to add in stabilization. As soon as we think that's mixed in, we will pour it out into our hotel pan. So this will get covered with plastic wrap and refrigerated for about an hour and a half, and we'll see what we ended up with. So the lemon curd's in the fridge setting. The next step would be to make the Italian meringue. We have water, sugar, and egg whites. The Control Freak allows us to walk away from it like we normally can't do. This is a syrup that just needs to come to 250 degrees. We're gonna whip our egg whites to stiff peaks, and then we'll slowly introduce the hot syrup into the egg whites, and we'll let them cool for a little while, and then we'll freeze the whole lot with liquid nitrogen. The next step in this process is freezing both the lemon curd that we made and the Italian meringue. Pretty easy when you have something this cold. Lemon curd's a little harder to freeze than the meringue. I'm gonna say it's not rocket science, but it kind of looks like rocket science. These are a little cold right now, so we're gonna let these warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna fold them into lemon scented ice cream, a little graham cracker, and we'll have lemon meringue pie ice cream. So the ice cream base is in the machine. It's gonna take about 10-15 minutes, and we can introduce all of our inclusions. So we have lemon ice cream, we have frozen lemon curd, and we have frozen Italian meringue, graham cracker, and the whole thing gets folded together. All right, so we have our lemon meringue pie ice cream. We're gonna make it into an ice cream scoop. So in order to do that, we need an ice cream cone. There we go. So there you have it. Thanks to Control Freak, we made lemon meringue pie ice cream.